Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain on Godaddy. So first of all, in search, type in godaddy.com and press enter. Now, after the website is loaded, just simply go to search bar and type in your desired domain name, which is in my case is gurduftutorial.com, and then hit the search domain button. Now you will be able to see if the domain name is available. Just simply click on make it yours. Now you have to click on view card button and then select the number of years that you want to buy this domain for. You will be able to see the price for the year that you have selected. Now click on continue to cart, and now it will ask you to sign in or create an account. Simply just sign in later so that you can create an account later. Now it will ask you to if you want to protect your data for the domain. So if it is optional, you can simply click on no, and then you will be able to see the summary page here, and make sure to check all the details, and when you're ready, just click on ready for checkout. It will now take you to the checkout page where you have to create an account using the email address, and then you have to enter the billing information, and then afterwards you have to enter the payment method to complete the process of buying the domain. That's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.